nature has an incredible wisdom, and so the living classroom here in Southeast Alaska is unparalleled. We can go off in so many different directions. We can study glaciation, we can study complex geology, we can study marine biology, oceanography, we can go into ecology. You know, it's just an incredible array of different things. And then you add in this cultural influence of Klukwan. It really lends itself to a transdisciplinary approach. That, coupled with the sheer grandeur of the place, just provides an incredible opportunity for students. Glacier Bay, Tashishini Alsek Provincial Park, Kwaan, and then Wrangell St. Elias. This is the largest protected area on the planet. Turns out it's the ginseng family. And if you guys know about ginseng, the rocks didn't make it into the river system. This is all glacial till. And look how thick the topsoil is. We start basically on this macro level. We talk on these really huge geophysical forces that shape this area, that shape the planet really. So we talk about plate tectonics, this big force that shaped this area. Then we talk about glaciation that shaped this area, physically shaped the landscape. Then from there, we start sorting out, okay, well then how did that then shape the ecology? Okay, and then what part does salmon play in the ecology? And then what part do we play in the ecology? And then we kind of distill those subject matters, and then we add the cultural influence. And then along the way, talk about the fact that there's no silver bullet. And when you're talking about things like sustainability, whether or not it's ecological sustainability or cultural sustainability, those complex relationships need to be recognized and appreciated.
I think one of the great things about the course that Scott's been able to link for the students that connection between the geology, biology, history of the area, as well as current issues today that are affecting southeastern Alaska. It's been really interesting. And it's been great for our students because our group of students has had different majors and different backgrounds and different interests. So they all came, I think, interested in a certain aspect of the course, maybe the geology or the culture or the history, but they've all started to see the connections between them.
To have all of the different environments interconnect like they do here, it's very uncommon to find anywhere else. That's why this is an amazing experience, you know, to see that everything can connect.
The best classroom is not a classroom. And I've learned that. You learn so much more. You know, it's only 2 weeks, but you learn a semester's worth of material. And like being able to see it and being able to touch it. And you know, reading it out of the textbook, there's not much you're gonna take in. But actually being here physically, you're gonna ask questions. And questions lead to answers, that lead to more questions. And that's the best thing about having Alaska as a classroom.
Look at that, and you got very close to the pith.
What's different about this is this experiential education model. And so we're able to give students that traditional classroom session idea, but then apply it. So they not only learn about Haines and Southeast Alaska's incredible interconnection, but then they're able to then take that and apply it to their own hometown, and then be able to recognize these patterns and hopefully grow from there.
For me, the importance of something like this is literally to reawaken a sense of wonder. I think that's what most of education is about. I think that's what most experience is really about. And so to get our students to just start asking why, or just start wondering about why things are as they are. And if it's successful for them, they'll begin asking these same questions when they return to sort of their own place and to where they're from. So I guess that notion of reawakening this sense of wonder, it's important to experience it. It's important to literally walk on it and with it and to be a part of it.
It's a beautiful place. Words cannot describe it. And I feel just in the short time we've been here, we've been able to learn a lot, but I know that there is so much more that we can learn, not just from the people, but from the land itself. And I think that's key. The land is just waiting to be discovered and researched, and it's not about me being here, it's about me experiencing what this place has to offer. That is my takeaway.
The perfect student is someone who comes up with curiosity. Just comes up with a curiosity. And hopefully we can foster that flame of curiosity and really develop these lifelong learners.